This is such a humbling experience to be given this great opportunity to get reconnected with my batchmates to mount this monumental and ambitious event. This Marikina High School Grand Reunion is our love letter to our dear alma mater. And as I look back, I will always take pride and honor to be part of this legacy. Well, it's so weird kasi nag-umpisa lang to sa isang inuman. All of a sudden, bigla na pag-usapan, why don't we have our reunion? Sobrang daming memorable experiences na meron itong batch na to. But one thing is certain, dito sa campus na to mismo, kami ang unang-unang gumraduate. So batch 2002, sana ma-enjoy nyo itong buong gabing to. I know na miss natin ang isa't isa. Alam ko na yung mga teachers natin ay masaya din na nandito sila. So let's take advantage of this moment. Let's embrace every single opportunity na magkakaroon tayo ngayong gabing ito. And sana hindi ito yung last na reunion na gaganapin natin. And sana patuloy pa rin kayong sumuporta sa lahat ng activities ng Class of 2002.
Ma'am Peña, Helong Gomez.
Ma'am Eliarba.
Ma'am Binluan.
Is kwarto ko, limang taon ko.
Delay, isa pa!
Now, na alam namin na sobrang successful na nitong event na to, we are planning to have another reunion this time sa 2027, which is our 25th anniversary after graduation. So sana lahat ng mga sumuporta at tumulong since day one ay maging bahagi pa rin ng reunion na yon sa 2027.
masaya ka rin. Kasi po, those are experiences that we can never forget, and that made you a better version of yourself.